With increased attention on math performance, students need more help retaining critical fundamentals taught in algebra and geometry, the building blocks for more advanced math classes. TI leveraged studies that pinpoint which algebra and geometry topics students struggle with the most, then spent 2 years developing content resources to better equip math educators, teachers, math coaches, and other instructional math leaders with the tools they need to help students build conceptual understanding of key math concepts. As a result of this effort, Texas Instruments introduces the Algebra-Nspired and Geometry-Nspired Lesson Resource Centers. Through Algebra-Nspired and Geometry-Nspired, math educators can quickly and effectively bring relevant, technology-based content into their classrooms. Algebra-Nspired and Geometry-Nspired's classroom-ready lessons are aligned with all major textbooks and all state and national standards, making it easy to integrate them into your curriculum.
The units themselves definitely target those tough-to-teach, tough-to-learn topics. I think the biggest thing is that they're simple. The activities are simple, but they're very powerful. The students are able to take an action and then observe the mathematical consequence on it. And so it takes those tough to learn topics and it makes them more accessible.
These lessons focus on assessing student understanding through inquiry-based questioning strategies. Each lesson includes teacher notes, TI-Nspire activity documents to explore math concepts using TI-Inspired technology, and activities teachers can customize for their students.
Because with teachers, the whole thing is, as long as I don't have to look, if I'm speaking as a teacher, I don't want to have to keep looking all over the place for things. If it's already packaged for me, that just makes it a little bit easier for me instead of having to go to find this resource, that resource. If it's already packaged, then I can spend my time learning the technology without having to worry about also getting a separate resource to go along with it. So I think that part is an excellent addition.
On the website, there's teacher tools that allows them to know what the objective of the lesson is. There's also vocabulary help for them, and there's also calculator help for them. So if they're not sure with the technology, they can click on the calculator tools and it'll actually walk them through exactly what they're going to do with their kids that day.
This all-in-one web resource includes getting started guidelines and optional fee-based professional development that can be tailored to individual educators, schools, and districts to help math educators strengthen algebra and geometry comprehension among their students. Even though students continue to struggle with mathematics, they are gaining ground, a trend that should continue and even increase with strategic and innovative teaching tools like this powerful new Learning Resource Center from Texas Instruments. Algebra-Nspired and Geometry-Nspired help bring concepts that students struggle with the most within reach and paves the way for success in future math classes.